In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and 4K camera GPS drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The 4K camera GPS drone comes equipped with a built-in 4K camera that captures high-resolution images and videos, providing a rich and detailed view from various angles. The drone is designed with brushless motors and comes with two intelligent batteries, supporting a long flight time of up to 50 minutes and a long range of up to 1 km. This GPS drone features a follow me, tap fly, and circle fly function, enabling users to capture perfect shots automatically and film like a pro. It also boasts a GPS auto return feature, ensuring high precision flying and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the press of a button or in low battery and signal lost conditions. The drone is equipped with smart functions such as optical flow, altitude hold for precise and stable hovering, and a headless mode, one-key start, and speed adjustment for easy control. The remote controller is rechargeable, eliminating the need for AAA batteries, and the drone is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel, aerial photography, and outdoor activities. The HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the 4K camera GPS drone are both exceptional drones, each with its own unique features and capabilities. The HS440, priced at $84.99, offers a 1080p HD camera and a flight time of up to 20 minutes. It is compact yet packed with advanced features, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, the 4K camera GPS drone, priced at $129.99, is equipped with a 4K camera, providing high-resolution images and videos. It boasts a longer flight time of up to 50 minutes and a range of up to 1 km, which is a significant advantage for those who wish to cover larger areas. Both drones offer advanced features such as altitude hold and headless mode, but the 4K camera GPS drone stands out with its GPS auto return feature and built-in rechargeable controller. In terms of customer satisfaction, the 4K camera GPS drone has a higher review score of 4.5 compared to the HS440's 4.0. However, the HS440 has a higher number of reviews, suggesting a larger customer base. In conclusion, both drones offer excellent value for their respective prices, and the choice between the two would largely depend on the specific needs and budget of the user.